hoes. Swaggin' all your hoes. Versace print all on my body, right down to my drawers. I'm the baddest bitch, baby, in case you just ain't know. I'm styling on you, shining on you, swaggin' on your hoes. I'm more than your average chick, I'm more than just some basic bitch. You know I am the shit, so when you see me, get of my life and with my clique. Back on up and keep it moving, unless you tryna get your groove in. You see my drip, come and snap me a good flick in. Match my fly if you wanna join the crew in. I'm a bad bitch, that's just how I do it. Fuck the haters, ain't nothing more to it. See me come through my see me and run through them, give them something good, dick bustin' in them. Give a fuck about a hitter, I'm a boss ass bitch. All about the cheddar, I don't need no man to please me. Independent ass bitch, I'm a real one. This is got some bomb dick, I don't really give a shit. Swaggin' on you, swaggin' on you, swaggin' on your hoes. Swaggin' on you, swaggin' on you, swaggin' on your hoes. Versace print all on my body, right down to my drawers. And I'm the baddest bitch, baby, in case you just ain't know. I'm styling on you, shining on you, swaggin' on your hoes. Swaggin' on you, swaggin' on you, swaggin' on you hoes. They scared of that brown skin, they scared of that round figure, they scared of the black men, but swear that they is black men. They wanna sit at the table, but hold their tongue they enable. They wanna be down with all us, but call them when shit gets real. They mesmerized by this flyness. We got the shit down on Lexus. They vibing out with my hood sis. This bottle's a Henny to pop sis. And man, my skin is popping. My swag, you just can't stop it. We filled with all this magic. These haters wish they can have it, but baby, we is popping. This magic, you can't stop it. We filled with all this beauty. Our reflection said we's a cutie. And damn, but we is poppin'. Damn, but we is poppin'. Damn, bro, we is poppin'. Damn, bro, we is poppin'. Flaunting all of this glitter, flossing all on your bitter. You see all of this thicker. It ain't fake, this is a real love. Got you tripping off this big O. Got you spinning from all this. Stay ballin' with my hitters. Stay flexing all this cheddar. My breast stacking up like a mother. Whipping it up like some butter. Don't fuck around with my brothers. Well, have your ass up in the gutter, then dance around down your bitter. Popping bottles on your hating. Motherfucker, we so poppin'. Drippy drippin', ain't no stopping. And baby, we is poppin'. This culture, you can't top this. We filled with all this beauty. Our reflection said we's a cutie. And damn, but we is poppin'. Damn, but we is poppin'. Damn, bro, we is poppin'. Damn, bro, we is poppin'. Damn, but we is poppin'. Damn, but we is poppin'. Damn, bro, we is poppin'. Damn, bro, we is poppin'. Black boy, that's good of your joy. Brown girl, they think you're a toy. But black boy, you're a fucking king. And brown girl said I'm pretty, you're a queen. Black boy, that's good of your joy. Brown girl, they think you're a toy. But black boy, you're a fucking king. And brown girl said I'm pretty, you're a queen. Yeah, covered in melanin, never a Kardashian. We some fucking trendsetters, they don't get no better. Shout out to my Africans, Dominicans, Afro-Latino, Mexicans, and shout out to my fellow Puerto Ricans. I'm a party to the clear ourselves, we don't be giving no fucks. Yeah, we want it, we do it ourselves, we don't be needing no help. This pride runs skin deep, that's why I gotta put on with it, you can catch me outside.